What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all again. Let's talk about Redbox. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So let's be entertained. All right, let's look at the Ortex. Let's see what's going on with the charts, maybe what's going to happen. I will check out the Ortex first for you guys, just see if there's anything major going on there. Live short interest, 80.76% of the free float in the live short interest, clocking in at 2.86 million. A little bit of an increase, but nothing that I would say is noteworthy. Cost to borrow, 728%, so definitely climbing a little bit. Now tomorrow is going to be meeting day, so we're gonna have some news, I would think, in the afternoon. I'm sure that's going to pop out and see what happens there. If you follow me on Twitter, I tried to tweet out I was looking for a bounce between $3.90 and $4. I'm wondering if this is going to be the bounce point. It came right at the end of the day. Kind of just following similar trends that we've been doing. That's the only reason that I would think that this could be a bounce point. It had a pretty rough day. I mean, you got off to a good start, but just continued to fall below all of our supports and just crashed further and further. So I mean, stressful day overall. How are you guys feeling? A little scared, a little nervous, a little excited? Probably all the above. Yeah, I'm right there too. I don't know what's going to happen. We're gonna find out what happens. If this bounce point somewhere, I don't know if it was done or not. It might come down a little bit further, possibly still, and even want to use this bottom here as support. So I'm still thinking $3.90, $4 range. 403 could be close enough, I suppose, but we're gonna find out what really happens there. Got a little bit of heat on the RSI, but overall it was just a selling day. Down, down, down. So I can't really tell you too much there. I don't see a whole lot of signs of reversal anytime soon. I mean, 30-minute MACD, 5-minute MACD even still needs some time unless it gets some sort of really strong pop, which it could if that $3.90 or $4 acts as some sort of support. We've seen the strong pops whenever those areas come in. Sometimes they're a little bit more powerful than others, but we don't ever know what we're going to get, so it's not really something that you want to risk a whole lot on unless you are really good about having a trading plan and playing with stop losses, and playing those pretty tight. But all in all, tomorrow's going to be the decider. We're going to find out how much time is still left in the play probably before the merge happens. I hope they give us a date or at least an idea of when that would go down. That could create some time that the shorts would have to hold, so maybe they'll rethink it. If it's a considerable amount of time that's going to cost them more money, maybe they'll cover at that point. Maybe they will get cold feet and chicken out right before the meeting. I don't know. I mean, they might be pretty convicted as well, so it could go a million different ways. Tomorrow's kind of the day you guys have been sitting here either hoping never comes or waiting for, one or the other. I mean, it's so questionable. You guys got lotto tickets, right? You're gonna see what happens if you're still holding it, and before that meeting is probably no, I don't want to say decision day. You guys do what you want. You make your own call. Let's see how the after hours pre-market plays out, because I think in the after hours it is going to choose a direction, or it can follow this all the way through probably to where are we? What time would that be? Like 6:30 range if it wants to, and then go ahead and make a decision. But I think it'll make that decision before then. So I do think that there'll be a little bit of moves in the after hours. I might be wrong, but I think after hours is going to make its decision. Then pre-market might be a little bit more exciting tomorrow, or even get a little bit of action there at the end of the day. We're going to see what happens. That's what I'm looking for as of right now. I don't want to see it come all the way down into the mid threes. It could. It really could come down here to the safety net and pick itself up down here somewhere, which is floating in between, say, $3.60 and $3.75. So it could come all the way down to the safety net and then decide to make its move. So those are the lines I'm looking for, either $3.90 to $4. If you're watching my Twitter, that's going to be my first area that I think it's really probably going to decide if it wants to bounce. Then we got this trend line here, right, that's coming down that you're going to be following in after hours from about $4 to, well, I guess same numbers, $3.90 to $4. So somewhere in there, or you're coming all the way down to the safety net, guys. So $3.70 to $3.90. So from here, I guess it's not that big a deal. You know, we're at 409, 370. What's that? 39 cents. You know, so I'd say within 39 cents, 40 cents, you're gonna know if it's going to fall through the safety net or bounce off of there, or if it's going to make its decision anywhere in the meantime. So thanks for coming back, guys. I hope you had a good day in the markets overall. I mean, it was it was a good day, you know. I mean, all in all, we got to say it was a good day. But if you were watching AMC, you saw the thing running, and it came all the way back down, and basically tapped that little gap fill somewhere around the 23 and change spot, and that's a good support line. I have it on my charts as a really nice support line. So let's see if the 23.37 range will at least hold and bounce, and where we go from there. So all in all, tomorrow could be a nice day. So let's see what happens in probably some of your favorites. AMC, GME was making some nice moves today, and then Redbox. I think you're going to see some moves tomorrow. I don't know if, you know, big money's going to really play either way, but I think there might be some money either coming in or coming off the table. Somebody will get a little bit of an inside information, I'm sure, and it'll create some movement. So that's what I got. If you don't mind, you can drop a like. You're always welcome to subscribe. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.